Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Grammar Lesson. I'm Jack.
And I'm Mia.
Today, you will learn subject pronouns in just 3 simple ideas.
3 ideas, that's it. And after this, you will never say, me is happy again.
One time, I wrote, me and my friend went to the park. My teacher circled it and wrote, who is me? Try again.
Such a common mistake, even for native speakers sometimes.
It happens to everyone, but today we fix it right now.
We will give you one simple system. Use it anywhere, in writing, in speaking, in a story, even in a simple text message.
One system, so many places. Ready?
Here is the big picture. A subject pronoun replaces the noun that performs the action in a sentence.
That's it. One clear job. Simple, right?
Very simple and very useful.
Instead of repeating a name again and again, we use a short word instead.
That is the whole idea.
We'll build this step by step with easy examples.
And later, if you want the tricky details, we will add those too.
But remember, even the basic idea already helps you sound more natural.
Let's start with step 1.
Step 1. What is a subject pronoun?
A subject pronoun takes the place of a noun at the front of a sentence performing the action.
Instead of saying, Tom is happy, Tom likes music, we can say, Tom is happy, he likes music.
He replaces Tom in the second sentence. Shorter and much more natural.
Without subject pronouns, our sentences would sound robotic and strange.
Moosey has a dog. Lucy walks the dog every day. Sounds robotic.
Lucy has a dog. She walks it every day. Sounds much more natural.
Let's practice together. Say it with me. He is.
Now finish the sentence yourself. Good job. You just used your first subject pronoun.
Before step 2, one small tip. Subject pronouns always come before the verb in a normal sentence.
She sings. They play. We study. The pronoun leads and the verb follows.
Good connection. Now let's continue. Step 2, the list of subject pronouns.
English has a short, simple list of subject pronouns. Let's go through them one by one.
I, for yourself.
You, for the person or people you are speaking to.
He, for one male person.
She, for one female person.
It, for one thing, animal, or idea.
We, for yourself and others together.
They, for more than one person or thing.
7 small words, but they cover almost every subject in English.
I am a student. You are my friend. He is a teacher. She is an artist. It is a beautiful day. We are happy. They are excited.
One quick list, 7 pronouns, ready to use immediately.
Step 3. Using he, she, and it correctly.
This step feels simple, but small mistakes happen often, especially at the beginning.
He is only for one male person. My father is kind. He always helps me.
She is only for one female person. My sister is smart. She studies every day.
It is for one thing, animal, or idea without a specific gender.
My phone is new. It works very well.
My cat is small. It sleeps all day.
What about pets that we know personally, Mia?
Great question. Many pet owners use he or she for their pets instead of it because it feels more personal.
My dog is friendly. He loves everyone. That sounds very natural, too.
Both are correct, depending on how personally you feel about the animal.
Step 4. Using we for groups, including yourself.
We replaces yourself plus at least one other person. My friend and I are going to the beach becomes we are going to the beach.
My family and I live in a small town becomes we live in a small town.
We always includes the speaker as part of the group.
My classmates and I study together every weekend. We study together every weekend.
One small word replacing a longer phrase every single time.
Step 5. Using they for groups without yourself.
They replaces more than one person or thing, not including the speaker.
My parents are traveling this week becomes they are traveling this week.
The students finished their homework becomes they finished their homework.
They can also describe a group of things. The books are on the table becomes they are on the table.
One flexible word for people and things together.
This is very useful once you notice how often it appears in everyday conversation. Step 6. I versus me, a common confusion.
Here is a mistake that even native speakers sometimes make.
Remember my story from the beginning? Me and my friend went to the park.
Me is not a subject pronoun. It cannot start a sentence as the one doing the action.
The correct subject pronoun is I. So the correct sentence is, my friend and I went to the park.
A simple trick helps here. Remove the other person from the sentence and listen.
Me went to the park sounds clearly wrong right away.
I went to the park sounds correct immediately.
That small trick works every single time with any pronoun mix-up.
Also, remember, we usually say my friend and I, not I and my friend. Politeness comes first.
What a helpful small detail. Thank you for adding that, Mia.
Step 7. Subject pronouns and the verb to be.
Subject pronouns connect very closely with the verb to be. Let's review this quickly.
I am. You are. He is. She is. It is. We are. They are.
Each pronoun matches with its own specific form of to be.
I am tired today. You are very kind. He is my neighbor.
She is a wonderful singer. It is raining outside. We are ready to start.
They are waiting for us downstairs.
This matching pattern also works with other verbs in the present tense.
He works. She works. It works. Notice the small s at the end for these three.
I work, you work, we work, they work. No extra s for these 4.
This connects our pronoun lesson directly to verb agreement. Everything in grammar links together.
Step 8. Subject pronouns with questions.
Subject pronouns also appear naturally inside questions.
Are you tired? Is she coming? Do they know the answer?
The pronoun still shows who or what we are asking about.
What time is it, Mia? Oh wait, I'm asking a question right now.
Ha! Perfect example. It refers to the time in that question.
See how naturally these pronouns fit into everyday conversation?
Are you excited about our next episode?
Yes, I am. I love making these episodes with you.
Step 9. Common mistakes with subject pronouns.
Let's talk about a few classic mistakes learners make.
Mistake 1. Using an object pronoun instead of a subject pronoun. Him is my brother instead of he is my brother.
Mistake 2. Forgetting subject-verb agreement. She go to school instead of she goes to school.
Mistake 3. Placing I before the other person. I and my sister instead of my sister and I.
What was your biggest mistake, Mia?
I used to say him and her are friends. My teacher always corrected it to he and she are friends.
I used to say me and my brother at the start of every sentence.
We all make these mistakes at first. It's part of learning.
But now we notice them quickly and fix them fast.
Step 10. Quick practice with real examples.
Let's try a simple game. I will describe a person or thing. You give me the correct subject pronoun.
Ready? Your best friend, a girl.
She.
Your 2 parents together.
They.
Yourself and your classmates.
We.
A book on the table.
It. Great job. You're getting faster already.
Try this game yourself with people and objects around you right now.
This is the best practice. thinking quickly again and again.
Your brain remembers better when you practice actively, not only read.
Quick reminder before we continue. Our main idea was subject pronouns replace the noun doing the action in a sentence.
Everything after that, matching verbs, question forms, common mistakes, these are helpful details.
The basic idea is enough for almost every sentence.
Good. Now let's add one more bonus part.
Step 11. You, singular, and plural. Here's something interesting. You works for one person and for many people at the same time.
You are my best friend, speaking to one person.
You are all invited to the party, speaking to a whole group.
English doesn't have a separate word for plural you in standard grammar, unlike some other languages.
In casual speech, some people say you guys or you all to make the plural feel clearer.
But grammatically, you alone works perfectly for both situations.
One flexible word doing double duty in every conversation.
Step 12. Put it all together.
Now let's build a few full sentences.
Listen to my example. My brother loves music. He plays the guitar every evening. My sister loves art. She paints beautiful pictures. Together, they inspire me every single day.
Listen to my example. My friend and I love hiking. We explore new trails every weekend. Our dog joins us too. It runs ahead of us the whole time.
See? We used many subject pronouns naturally in the same short story.
Nothing feels forced. Nothing feels confusing.
That is the perfect balance.
See? Easy. Simple rules, clear sentences.
You don't need perfect grammar all at once. You just need clear, simple practice.
And a little bit of patience helps too.
Step 13. Practice time.
Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions in your head or write them down.
Question 1. Replace the noun with a subject pronoun. Sarah is my classmate.
Question 2. Replace the nouns with a subject pronoun. My parents work very hard.
Question 3. Fix the mistake. Me and my brother play soccer.
Question 4. Fix the mistake. Him is my neighbor.
Question 5. Choose the correct pronoun. Blank. We/us are going to the movies tonight.
Question 6. True or false? You is only used for one single person.
Now check your answers with a friend or write them in the comments below.
Say your sentences out loud, in front of a mirror, or while you make your coffee, or while you walk.
This is the best practice, speaking out loud again and again.
Your brain remembers better when you speak, not only think.
So don't be shy. Try it right now, after this episode.
Let's review everything one more time very quickly.
Subject pronouns replace the noun doing the action in a sentence.
I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. The full, complete list.
He, she, and it go with singular verbs ending in S.
I, you, we, and they go with plain, unchanged verbs.
I, not me, starts the sentence as the subject.
6 small rules, 1 simple system.
But remember, you only need truly the first rule. Subject pronouns replace the doer of the action.
The rest add slowly, over time, as you feel ready.
You don't need every detail today. Choose the rules you understand best.
Maybe you only remember 2 rules today. That is perfectly okay.
Next week, maybe you add one more rule. Slowly, you build full confidence.
Learning grammar is not a race. It's a walk, one small step at a time.
I love that idea.
If you are unsure, remove the other person from your sentence and listen closely.
If you're speaking casually, don't worry too much. Just try and keep going.
It depends on the moment. Feel the meaning and choose your word.
That is a very smart tip.
Before we finish, let's talk about this topic one more time.
Subject pronouns are not scary ideas.
They are helpers.
Helpers that make your sentences shorter and much more natural.
And when you use them correctly, your English flows smoothly and confidently.
No more me and my friend went, but instead my friend and I went.
Just clear, natural, confident English.
It all starts with one small, simple question. Who or what is doing the action?
So remember, keep it simple.
Practice daily.
And smile.
A smile makes learning more fun too.
Remember my story from the beginning? Wait, that was your story, Jack, about the park.
You're right. Me and my friend went to the park. That's all I could say one time.
I remember. It made me smile.
But now if someone asks me about subject pronouns, I don't freeze anymore.
Because now you have a system, a simple structure in your head.
Exactly. And now you have that system too.
Yes, all of our listeners do too.
So next time you speak or write, take a breath and think.
Then just ask yourself, who is doing the action in this sentence?
You will surprise yourself with how well you can do it.
I believe in you, our dear listeners.
We really do.
We mean it.
So here's your challenge right now.
Pause this video.
And say 3 sentences, one using he or she, one using we, and one using they.
Go on, try it now. We'll wait. Did you do it? Great job.
That's it. You just did the hardest part. Everything else gets easier from here.
Well, I think our time is almost finished for today.
Time goes fast when the topic is fun.
It really does. This was a great episode.
It was. Before we go, we have one more small favor to ask.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Grammar Lesson.
And give this episode a big thumbs up, a like.
It really helps other learners find our channel.
And please share it with a friend who's also learning English.
We want to help as many people as we can.
And now for your homework and our question of the day.
Go to the comments section below.
Write 3 sentences using I, you, and one other subject pronoun of your choice.
For example, I am learning English. You are doing great. We are proud of you.
You can write anything you want.
We would love to read your comments and learn a little bit about you.
It will be so much fun reading all your examples.
Thank you all so much for learning with us today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure, as always.
Stay curious and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun grammar episode.
And remember, choosing the right subject pronoun makes your English crystal clear.
I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Your system forever.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Jack.
Bye, Mia.